Hello friends, as the NASA is returning to the moon once again after almost 50 years with his Artemis program by 2024, it came out with a legal framework that lays out a set of principles for countries and companies in space and moon to follow. The document includes the creation of safety zones around sites where mining and exploration would take place on the lunar surface. The new legal framework known as the Artemis Accord reiterates the country's long held stand that companies should be allowed to extract and use resources on the moon. NASA is likely to make it compulsory to sign this accord as a requirement for allied countries to participate in its lunar exploration program. NASA Administrator Jim Bridenstine said that the proposed framework is in line with the 1967 Outer Space Treaty, which prohibits nations from laying claim to the moon and the other celestial bodies. And the 1967 Outer Space Treaty says that the exploration and the use of outer space shall be carried out for the benefit and in the interest of all countries and shall be the province of all mankind. The outer space shall be free for exploration and use by all states. Outer space is not subject to national appropriation by claim of sovereignty by means of use or occupation or by any other means. States shall not place nuclear weapons or other weapons of mass destruction in orbit or on celestial bodies or station them in outer space in any other manner. The moon and other celestial bodies shall be used exclusively for peaceful purposes. Astronauts shall be regarded as the envoys of mankind. States shall be responsible for national space activities, whether carried out by governmental or non-governmental entities. States shall be liable for damage caused by their space objects, and states shall avoid harmful contamination of space and celestial bodies. Thank you.